Fish on, fish on.
Hey, what you doing? What you doing? That's my fish, bro. Bro, that's my fish.
Fish on, y'all. Fish on.
That's my
Go.
fish.
Oh. Are you kidding me?
I threw so much of a massage.
Oh, big takedown. Oh, god damn it, man. Oh my god, bro.
When I have a bite on my fishing rod.
Big takedown, y'all. Big takedown. Woo!
Good fish right there. What is that in this mouth? What the?
I threw so much
Bro.
of a massage.
Is that a pivot, bro?
Bait and tackle.
Hi. You guys sell frozen beaver?
Yes, we do. We only have one beaver left.
You better not walk out that door. You're not going fishing this weekend. If you walk out that door, I am breaking up with you.
I'm gonna miss her. I threw so much of a massage.